Guys, how you all doing today? Welcome back to Kashif'S world. So today we've come to Stockton town centre. Obviously the market's on today, so we thought we'll come down today, take a look what they have in the market today. Packed up. Now what we're doing is just walking down to the main town. It's a market. So you got your fruit side this side. So we've got some polo tops here, guys. Polo tops are £3. You get medium and large only in them sizes. We've got different more tops here as well. We've got some bath sheets here as well, which is £5 each. You've got different variety of colours there. Green, brown, blue and dark green, and bed sheets as well. It is a busy day today, guys. I hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's having a great day. Hey guys, this building used to be the main Stockton town centre. But now it's all knocked down, as you can see. But all the shops were in this building. I believe they're going to make something else now in the future. We've got the main centre clock here of Stockton. So guys, look at the water fountain here. Look at this. This looks absolutely phenomenal. It's a quite busy day today, guys, here in Stockton. It's amazing. I'm having a good time today here in Stockton. This photo hand there, look at that. Wow. Very cold water, I must say. So guys, this is the Wellington Square here, guys. You got Pump Shop there this side. I can see a dinosaur just there, I don't know if you can guys see that, look. As it's a family fun day today. Let's have a look. I'll show you guys. Oh, this looks good. Oh wow. Look at that. Oh wow. Check that out. Wow.
Oh, he's posing for you. Look at that smile.
Wow. Dinosaur in Stockton.
Like scratches like this.
I got it. Oh, have you got it? Yeah.
That's a close up. That, guys, was the dinosaur. Look at this. We've just spotted Star Wars characters. Star Wars characters are on their way. Wow. Check these out. These Star Wars. There's some more here. Wow. These Star Wars. I think what these Star Wars characters are doing, they're just lining up here. They're just lining up. Star Wars. So guys, that was Star Wars as well. So far we've seen the dinosaur and we also seen the Star Wars. Let's make our way. Who's. This is a shop which they've got offers on here, so let's go inside, let's take a look. We've got some offers on here. Everything here is £10. Look at these dresses, ladies' dresses here. And if you come this side, you got all the men's England tops here. Everything this side is £6. And you got some more dresses this side, which is £10. There's lots of offers going on in this store today. Lots more this side. You got shoes here. You got men's clothing this side. Got some offers on here for men's as well. So, here guys, you got some was here for £5 as well. All of this is basically £5. So there's different colours to choose from as well. You got some offers here, 2 for £10. Any tops on this section. There's lots of special offers going on here today. Lots. You got some pillows here as well for £6. You got bed sheets for £5 as well. You got ladies' shoes here for £6, for £8. Right then guys, so we've just spotted a dress which the wife has liked. So what we're going to do is we're going to buy this. So if you are interested of this dress, it is just for £10. Wife's dress here, so here we are. She's happy with it. The rain has started guys, it's raining now. As the weather forecast did say today was going to rain. Guys, it's starting to rain fast, so let's finish up the vlog here everyone. I hope everyone enjoyed that. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, comment, subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you all for the next one.